Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back. Thank you for joining us on this Veterans Day. It is relatively warm out there in Helena right now, 52 degrees. You might not even need to bring out the winter jacket today, which is a rarity here in the fall in Montana. The rest of us in the 30s and 40s, you might need a jacket out there. Helena is one of the warmer spots in the state as of right now. Some warmer air trapped into the valleys with a little bit of wind still out there, and that's what's sustaining the warmth in the Helena Valley. I showed this yesterday, the 24-hour temperature change from Sunday into Monday. A lot of north central Montana ranged from 10 to even 30 degrees warmer than the weekend, but now we've switched that up a little bit. 24 degrees warmer in Helena as compared to yesterday. So again, that wind sustaining warmth here across our area. So there it is, west wind of 12 miles an hour. That's sometimes all it takes. It's not really too gusty out there in the Helena Valley, but that compressional warming wind is what keeps that around. And we do have southwest winds of over 20 miles an hour still into north central Montana. So don't worry. Another few hours of wind still out there, but by this afternoon, we'll start to see the wind diminish here. And by tonight, we'll be looking at much better conditions across the state, where yesterday we saw 80 to 90 mile an hour wind gusts along the Rocky Mountain front. And by tomorrow, we'll be looking at very, very light winds across much of the area. So nothing on the radar right now, and there won't be anything really today. The only precipitation we'll see over the next 48 hours here is a little warm front coming through early tomorrow morning. That could bring a few sprinkles into the mountains around Helena, maybe down to the plains in Great Falls as well, but most of the precipitation falling into the mountains of northwest Montana. Mostly cloudy skies expected for tomorrow. So here's the next 7 days for Helena. We'll be in the 50s today across the state, mostly upper 50s here, and that's where we'll really stay through tomorrow as well. Thursday, we could be approaching some record highs across the state yet again with wind picking up. We'll be in the 60s for a lot of locations before a couple of cold fronts come through Friday and then one on Monday as well, which will lower us back down to near seasonal averages.